Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. It's April 8th. That means it's day 8 of Vlog Every Day in April. It's Steve again, and today we're going to do a little unboxing. I bought some Apple products. Today I picked up an iPad Air 4th generation. The first question I had was, should I buy an iPad Air 4th generation or an iPad Pro 11-inch? Big decision, big questions to ask, but ultimately I figured this is the one that I needed. And we have a video over at Tech Guide Chronicles, we'll put in the description below, where you'll see us go side by side with the iPad Air 4th edition and the iPad Pro 11-inch. So my second big decision for the day is, should I unbox with my camo or with my red? We'll go red. Why not? Get that ready. Everything is in here. Let's go. We will start first with the iPad Air 4th edition. This is the blue version, 256 gigabytes. Let's see what we got. I almost got it. Box off. Oh boy. That was a stupid idea. Okay, we have the little tiny power brick, the USB, I think that's USB-C to USB-C, all of the documentation, and I'm sure there's stickers in there, and then the iPad. Ooh. Man, this is beautiful. I love that it's the same size pretty much as my iPad 6th generation as far as form factor, just with a screen that's like 1.5 inches bigger. So I take this plastic off very carefully because I always return my stuff in the box if I trade it in. Ooh. This is beautiful. And the reason why I didn't get the Pro, like the 13-inch Pro iPad, is because I already have a MacBook Pro 16-inch, so it would be like having two laptops. So for now, we'll put this right here. Second piece. Magic keyboard time. This was a major decision as well. I've always liked the iPads, but once they said you could use a mouse with it and this has a trackpad, like, that's amazing. I apologize for the noise. They're apparently either leaf blowing or trimming the hedges at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we'll deal with it. Let's get to opening this. Man, I've definitely always loved Apple's packaging. Why am I not talking into the camera? I'm not used to this setup. I'm sitting at like my dinner table right now. Okay, box gone. Keyboard out. Let's get this plastic off. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Alrighty, open this up. Cardboard in there, again, has this, I guess, the stickers and stuff. And how the hell, oh, it just bends a little bit. So you get it in there, bend it, and now let's stick the iPad to it. Beautiful. Perfect fit. Look at that. Oh, that is sweet. Nice little keyboard. I like it. All right, what was the last piece? Whoops. Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Oh. Ooh. Whoops-a-daisy. There we go. Some of the documentation again. And finally, Apple Pencil 2nd gen. And I'm actually, with my iPad, my regular iPad 6th generation, I have Apple Pencil version 1. So I'll probably sell it or give it away. If you see this video and you need an Apple Pencil 1, just let me know below. It's brand new. I'm not gonna sell it for like $100. I'll probably sell it for like $30 or $40, or maybe I'll give it away. I'm not too sure, but I like the Apple Pencil too, because it has that one little ridge right there. You get a better grip, and I believe it just sticks. Boom. Beautiful. So there you have it. The iPad Air 4th generation in the blue color. The Apple Smart Keyboard for the 4th generation iPad Air. And Apple Pencil 2nd generation as well. And this works with the iPad Air 4th gen and the 2 new iPad Pros. So I'm gonna play with this baby a little bit. I'll probably review it in a couple of weeks, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you've gotten any new toys lately, let me know in the comments below. If you already have this iPad, let me know what you think about it. Leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. If you can get me there, that would be great. I'll get my URL and we'll be off to the races. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.